Hi everyone. So in this part, we would like to work out with ANOVA in JASP. So when you start ANOVA, there are two kinds of ANOVA. However, what we're going to work out is ANOVA comparing some analysis, comparing on sub-variable. I'm doing it with different grade levels. So for example, I'm going to click now ANOVA. So let's look at now the fixed factor, which is the grade level. So another thing is that I have here a data which is about personal drive. So let's go to the personal drive. It's here. It's in the dependent. So it will be processed now. So it's processed already. So this is now your ANOVA. Again, it's default that if the p-value should be lower than 0.05, then there's significant difference. Now, some of the features of ANOVA and JSP is that when you click here, the descriptive standards, so you can have now the comparison of mean, which is 3.87. Now, if you just know the mean for the grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, what you're going to have there is that you could assume that the grade 7 has a higher personal drive. However, in this sense, that this means will actually mean has a meaning that it is statistically the same. So another thing is that one thing is that if there is difference, you can use now the post hoc, and then in here you can use now non-parametric. So you can convert the result into Kruskal-Wallis if that will be the case. However, the p-value is still the same when you look at that. So that's how it works. So let's have another one. I believe I could have this so that we could test now. Nope, not that. I think it is the risk tolerance. Let's see. No, it's not the risk tolerance. Achievement and co-orientation. Here, there is now a significant difference because it is below 0.05. Now, if there is those case, we can go now to post hoc test. The post hoc test would have now see now the comparison. We look at here. So the comparison, if you can win for any, so 0.05 divided by 4. So as you can see at the p-value, they are different. However, when you can now have this, the Tukey or the Cohensley and the von Ferrini for the interpretation, if there are difference in each pairing, like here, the pairing of grade 10 to grade 7, grade 10 to grade 8, grade 10 to grade 9, grade 7 to grade 8, grade 7 to grade 9, grade 8 to grade 9. So that's how to use now ANOVA in JSP.